how it comes out. And even in job adverts, that is what in Germany, what the law makes us include the third gender now, to have in job adverts in the first line the MVD, or as Carl-Zeiss makes it, MVX. You can also use the I for it, for a new gender position, so that all people are included. And this gender-sensitive language is not just about the job postings, it's also about the attributes that we have when we talk about women and men. That is not just the men in leadership positions and the women in subordinate HR positions. And we need recommendations for language, of course, that no one can call another one a softie or something like that. Because if we do not speak about gender and say everything is going so well, then these inequalities don't get stable. And this is so important when we want to go on in a working place.